Aloha, romantic friends. Please subscribe for more updates and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Aloha, romantic friends and new viewers. Welcome to today's video. And so today we will be making a soap called Purple Cadience. And so Purple Cadience is basically, it's a custom blend of essential oils, and the two main oils I have in here are lavender, tea tree, and a hint of lemon and mint. So that is the blend of essential oils that I have in this bucket here. And so here is a illustration of the drawing of, I'm hoping that how the Purple Cadience will look. So let's get started. So in this bucket, as always, we have our oils and our sodium hydroxide, which is aka our lye water. We're going to blend everything up today and make soap. And so I'm going to fast forward the video here to speed up the process, and then I'll be right back. And so I am going to go ahead and separate my oils into the containers here. And the colors I have are purple and gold. And so I'm going to go ahead and blend these colors up. And then once I have it blended, we're going to add the fragrance. Alright, so we're going to actually texture the top, and then we're going to put some lavender beads on top as well. So we are going to cut Purple Cadience, and this is how it looked. It's actually been sitting in the mold for about 72 hours, and we are going to cut it and see how it turned out. So we have reached the end of our video, and here is your romantic question of the day. Number 1. Would you rather take your partner to an island resort for 4 nights and 3 days? Or number 2, would you rather give them $1,000 shopping spree? In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a circle with the letter I. Go ahead and cast your vote and let me know which romantic question of the day you like.